Hey guys, what's up? It's me. Wait.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Antonio Garza, your favorite whore on the internet. And you're probably wondering why I'm back on the internet posting another video with another voiceover with another series of pictures. And you're probably like, what the heck? You've been gone for 4 months. Don't act like you haven't abandoned us. And guess what? I did abandon y'all. And this is the truth. And this is very sad. If you guys want to know the real reason why I've been gone, it's because I've been depressed. I'm just kidding. That's what I would have said 4 months ago when I was depressed, but things in my life have changed recently. But no, not in a bad way. Just in a, I have a new boyfriend and I'm thriving type of way. Yes, sissies, you heard that right. I have my very own boyfriend. Some of y'all might have seen when I posted on Twitter and TikTok that yes, I do have a new boyfriend and he is quite amazing. Well, he was quite amazing, but he's actually not my boyfriend anymore. Because he's my fiance. So yeah, the rumors are true. I'm getting married. So in today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of how it was to prepare for my wedding and get ready for my big special day. And at the end of this video, you guys get to meet my husband. So without further ado, I have a freaking wedding to get ready for, so let's freaking go. Wait, okay, so before I move on, I was editing this video and I feel really bad for not posting in 4 whole months. So I decided I'm gonna start doing something new. For every single month that I don't post, I'm gonna do a giveaway. And because I haven't posted in 4 months, I'm doing 4 giveaways. Wow, I feel like such a basic YouTuber and I love it. Okay, so the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place winners of the giveaway will win my collaboration case with WILDFLOWER and a $100 gift card. And the 1st place winner will win the new purple iPhone because I really want one, but I already have a phone so I don't need it. So I'm gonna give it to one of you guys. Yay. And all you have to do to enter is go to my Instagram, follow me, obviously, go to my most recent Instagram picture and comment, tell me how good I look, and as long as your comment has a cowboy emoji, then you'll be entered. I'm just doing this honestly because I love you guys and I'm a really big gift giver and I just feel bad for not posting and I want to get back to you guys and yeah, okay, I love you. Bye, enjoy the video. Hey guys, so I'm sorry for the weird lighting. Actually, it's kind of good. Okay, so today I'm going to get tattoos. And this is a scary subject because last time I got tattoos, I almost cried because I was scared that I didn't like them. And now I'm getting more, so I don't really know how that works. I realized that once you have tattoos for a while, you forget about them. And then you see them every once in a while in pictures on yourself. And you're like, wait, that kind of looks cool. So I never really showed you guys the tattoos like fully and like elaborated. So these are them. Amazing and great. And I have tattoos on my hands now. I don't really like getting tattoos on my body. I don't plan on really doing that. But I thought I want tattoos still and I'll do it on my hands because I feel like it. Okay, bye. today's my big day. So I think we have lots to talk about today. That was a goofy tease. I'm very late for my wedding right now, and you're probably wondering, what's going on, and so let me tell you. So first, I want to say I love you guys and thank you for being on this journey with me. This is a very important day for me, and I'm very excited that we're all being able to do this together. What's a wedding without millions of people watching? A boring little party. That's what it is. So today's my wedding. I have lots to prepare for, lots to do. I'm currently doing my makeup, and my wedding is not for a few hours. I definitely have a strict schedule today. You guys are going to get to meet my future husband in a few hours. I have my whole wedding planned. My venue is scheduled starting at 2 o'clock, so I need to get ready to get there. There's not really much else going on. Well, I am getting married, so that's something. Oh, also my merch. Click a like for my merch. This is my merch. I don't know if I've showed it on YouTube before. I think this is actually the wrong one. I think this might be a prototype. Like, the cowboy emoji is really big. I think it might be smaller on the real one. Shop antoniiogarza.com. Buy it as my wedding gift. If you're happy for me. Just kidding, that's so manipulative. When YouTubers are like, buy my merch so I can like pay rent. I'm like, okay, then starve. Okay, what am I doing? So besties, how are y'all doing? I wanna know how you guys are doing. I know today's my big day and it's really about no one else and only me. But it's also a day of love and happiness, and people who I love are you guys. Why is this empty? Die. So let's talk more about me. You guys are probably wondering, Antonio Garza on YouTube, why are you getting married at 18 years old? That seems a little bit young and a little bit crazy to be getting married at 18 years old. Well, here's the thing. I don't really think it matters how old you get married. The only thing that matters is if you love your, wife or husband, and if you think that you're gonna be able to spend a fulfilling and happy life with them. It's like, divorces nowadays are just like going to the grocery store. They're so normal and so accepted. So it's like, what's the worst thing that can happen? You get a divorce. It's only gonna ruin you mentally for a few years. And then you could just get back into the dating scene and do it all again. So it's just like, I don't know why people put so much pressure on marriage as if it's not just like a piece of paper. I'm the kind of person where I just want to keep my relationship off the internet, I didn't want to show off too much of anything before I knew that he was the one. And of course I know that now because I'm getting married. Yeah! But as you can imagine, meeting someone and getting married within the span of, 3 or 4 months, 2 or 3 months. Okay, a month. It's a quick process, it's like, and there's a lot to take in, and your life is moving so fast. Sissies! It's the sissy wedding day. Let's talk about something that's not wedding related because I'm getting bored of this. John F. Kennedy. Who is he? One time I sucked a beauty blender up in a vacuum. I used to be a Dr. Phil stan, but I recently learned that he exploits people, and I don't like that. So Dr. Phil, you better eat my bungus. Wait, no, I'm married. I shouldn't say that. I have to pee, so enjoy this clip of my wall for 2 minutes straight. So I decided, since it's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, I decided to go on Twitter and tell you guys to ask me questions just to see like a wedding get ready with me Q&A. I'm just really the elite YouTuber in this space who's really just doing it all. No other hoe is doing it like me. What's your favorite anime? Well, one, I'm not a weeb. I'm just kidding. I used to watch one anime when I was a child and then it gave me emotional trauma, so I stopped. So, what's your lock screen? Oh my god, this is the best question ever. It's a picture of my dog, Mo. Aww. I don't know if I told you guys this in a YouTube video or not. I don't think so. I think in my last video I said about how he had a health scare. Yeah, well, that health scare turned into him dying. So that was sad.
She also talked me into picking out this outfit today. She's also died. Yeah.
I'm not laughing because he's dead. I love him, and I honestly think that having him not here with me is comforting because it's like, in my head, he's always with me. He's over there in that picture frame. That's also, oh, and he's up here too. I also have this picture of him framed. It's me and him him and me. That's us. I love him, and I feel like he watches over me and makes sure I'm safe and happy. I don't know if he's doing that good of a job because I've been quite depressed recently, but I'm also getting married. So, you know,
I don't really know where to go with this.
Okay, there's a ghost in my closet. That's okay. Okay, I have to finish my eyeshadow, so let's do that. Okay, I'm back. I also want to recognize that I'm actually very nervous for the wedding now. Like, I wasn't nervous before, but now I'm nervous. It's like, so I'm gonna keep answering questions. So someone said, if you could tell your younger self something, what would it be? Probably don't be such a raging whore. Imagine getting married and looking like this ugly. Okay. Someone else says, what's it like behind the camera? And this is a good question. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be back eventually, but what I will say is that I'm very excited for my wedding and I'm gonna meet you guys at the venue once my hair and makeup is done, I think. Here's the before of the makeup and let's go to after.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait 1,000,000 more for you. Nothing prepared me for what the privilege of being yours would do. If I had only felt the warmth within your touch, if I had only seen how you smile when you blush, or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough, well, I would have known what I've been living for all along. What I've been living for. Your love is my turning page, where only the sweetest words remain.
Okay, so hey guys, so before we keep going with my wedding, I wanted to show you guys the venue. I got this really beautiful house. This was it before it was fully decorated, but yeah, it's really beautiful and I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, let's get on with my vlog. So this is my wedding look, guys, and I'm so happy with how I turned out. This is it in different lighting. I feel very elegant and cute. I'm so excited for you guys to meet my husband. He's waiting outside. He already saw me. I know that's breaking the rules of weddings, but he looks really good. He's so excited to marry me, and I can't wait for tonight, and it's gonna be a great night that we're all gonna remember. So T-minus maybe 30 minutes until we all get to meet him. It's finally my wedding, you guys. I'm so excited for you guys to finally meet my husband. This is the biggest moment of my life, and I feel like I'm finally ready. Come on. He's shy. Thank you everyone for coming today. This means so much to me. And it's... Okay. I think you guys are finally ready to meet my husband. And this is a huge moment. And I can't wait for you guys to meet him. Come on. Are you ready? But he looks really good. And he said I look really pretty and beautiful. And he's so excited to marry me. So... Hi, could I get a 3-finger combo with a Diet Coke?
Alrighty, anything else? Toast, anything else?
We get 2 extra sauces.
$15.50 at the window, thank you.
Thank you. We did it. Oh, we did it.